All right, let's get started. This briefing covers the required system standards for everyone in a support role. Pay close attention because these are mandatory.
So let's be absolutely clear. If you are assigned to a support role, these system requirements are not suggestions. They're mandatory. You have to have these in place before you can even begin your work.
First up, let's talk about the web browser you're required to use.
To be crystal clear, Google Chrome is the only browser you are permitted to use for work. That means no Microsoft Edge, no Firefox, no Safari, Opera, Brave, none of them. The rule is simple. For work, you use Google Chrome, period.
And let me just emphasize that point. Every single thing you do for work, and I mean everything, has to be done inside Google Chrome. There are absolutely no exceptions to this rule.
So why are we this strict? Well, it comes down to three things: compatibility with our systems, our ability to monitor for security threats, and just keeping everything consistent for the entire team. This isn't arbitrary. It's about protecting our data. Okay, moving on to the second requirement. This one is about our endpoint security software.
Every support staff member must have CrowdStrike Falcon installed and running on their machine. Think of it as our advanced security guard. It's constantly monitoring for threats, and for it to work, it has to stay active the entire time you're working. So here's what you need to do. First, double-check that the CrowdStrike application is actually installed. Second, make sure that the Falcon sensor is up and running. And third, and this is critical, do not ever disable it or try to uninstall it yourself. And here's a really important heads up. If you're planning on reformatting your computer or getting a new one, you have to contact the IT department first. They need to handle the license properly so your new setup is compliant right from the start. Don't do it on your own.
All right, let's talk about what happens if these rules aren't followed. This is important.
Make no mistake, failing to use only Google Chrome or disabling CrowdStrike are serious violations. Either of these actions can lead to an immediate audit failure and a suspension of your access to our systems. We take this very, very seriously.
Now, you might be sitting there thinking, does this actually apply to me? If you have any doubt whatsoever about whether you're in a designated support role, you need to find out for sure. And it's simple. Just reach out to your supervisor or get in touch with the IT department right away. They'll give you a clear answer. Please, do not just assume you're exempt. Look, the reason we have these strict rules is to protect our company systems and, even more critically, the sensitive healthcare data we handle every day. Following these mandates is a key part of how we ensure we're compliant with HIPAA regulations. So before you do anything else, your next step is to verify that you meet both of these requirements. Your compliance is absolutely essential for keeping our entire network secure. Make sure you're good to go.